channel. Today we are outside with the chickens, but we're in their coop. It's very cold outside, so they're like all circling around us because they want to be cuddled. Oh, it's so cold. Look at them. They're all on my feet. They're on my feet. Well, yeah, that's a quick little update how the chickens are feeling. Gaia is literally throwing a tantrum. She is literally yelling. Oh, she's cleaning herself now. Now, this is Lupe, a very grumpy little girl. So, yeah. Oh, look at Honey over there. Well, that's a quick little update. I hope you enjoyed